Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Elijah here, and I will be introducing you to an unbox to a thing that is called a fidget spinner. It has skateboard bearings, 3 skateboard bearings on one ring, and it makes it go like that. Makes it go super fast, but I accidentally dropped on into water and the bearings got rusted. Then I had to put some oil on it. So yeah, do big shout out to Preston Jackson. He is my cousin. Make sure to check out his channel. His channel has a peace sign. I will show you in the next video. He's wearing red headphones. He has glasses, and he's in something like sixth grade, something like that. So yeah, you can spin it, and you can also like put it on the ground and spin it. I'll show you guys real quick. You can do this. Oh, let me do it.
Ready for this?
You know what, Mom?
She says, and he wants the deluxe, right? You get it spinning? Hold on. See if I can do this again.
Yeah, you can do that. I am going to do a trick. Oh, but
Hey, little mom. Bye, Mom.
So here's the next one. Fidget cube. It has this that looks like a dice. Yeah, and it has this. Here's something I was hyped about. You can like have those if you have two. You can act like you're playing PlayStation 3, Xbox One, Xbox 360. I do have an Xbox One. I'll show you. And big thing, you have to, if we get this video up to a long time, I mean a big amount of subscribers and what is it? And likes and views, I will do this. Bean Boozled. But I already did it with my brother Logan. But I still have some.
I swear to God, we don't have the fucking gate open and shit. Let the damn dogs out again.
Yeah. So I will introduce you to the rest. Alright, I'm gonna do the rest. I'm gonna set those over here. Okay. Yeah, you have 2 of these. You act like you're playing. Miss them, and it has a light switch, and it also has this. It's like a code. You can push those. You can roll this ball around, and there's this thing you can roll around, and this symbol. So that's it for today. Tell me what else do you want me to unbox. I will do it if I could buy it. You can tell me what if there's most, like if there's more, I'll do that one. The one that has the most, I'll do that one. So, bye guys. I'll see you in the next video. And what game? On Pocket Edition, computer, anything on Steam. Alright. I'm going to be going somewhere. I might record a video. So, bye. See you next video.